Hi, I'm Dan Music. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect two 8-foot struts to make a 16-foot strut. You can do the same with two 9-foot struts to make an 18-foot strut. The reason we do this is the cost of shipping a 16-foot or an 18-foot over the road is prohibitive.
We sell 3 versions of this kit. Each includes a 32-inch junction strut, 24 half-inch techs, either Phillips or hex head, and an additional strut kit which includes a 1/4-inch hex head driver. We also offer the 32-inch junction strut individually. All of these options require you to buy either 8 or 9-foot struts separately. Align the end of the 8-foot strut with the center of the 32-inch strut, and mark the end of the junction strut on the 8-foot strut. This will give you a reference for where to install the screws. Make 2 marks, 1/2 inch from the bottom and 1/2 inch from the top. Flip the strut and make 2 marks 1 inch from the end. And again, 1/2 inch from the bottom and 1/2 inch from the top. Overlap the 8-foot and 32-inch struts so the end of the 8-foot strut is at the center of the junction strut. Tap the end of the junction strut to center it under the end of the 8-foot strut. Secure the 2 struts with a vice grip, then install the screws using a 1/4-inch nut driver, which we include with one of our strut kits. Center the screws 1/2 inch from the bottom of the strut. Install 2 screws on the end of the joining strut, 1 screw an inch from the center, then 2 more centered on either side, and another in the middle. Then flip the strut and follow the same pattern with a 1/2 inch offset to prevent the screws from running into each other. Next, install the 8-foot strut on the other side. Make a mark 16 inches from the center to note the end of the center strut. Vice grip and install the screws 1 inch from the center, then 2 on the end, 1 in the middle, and 2 more on either side. Flip the strut and repeat. As before, offset the screws by 1/2 inch. Your 16-foot strut is now assembled. For our video on how to install the strut, please follow the link below. We hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching.